Hello, traders. It is November the 22nd, the day before Thanksgiving, and on a Wednesday. So let's take a look at the markets. And boy, the SPY's gapping up again this morning. We've seen this historically this time of year. We just have that kind of steady bleed higher, unless some dramatic news comes out or something like that. But uh, so we're not going to chase, charts that look like that, but we're going to look for some setups here, and I am seeing a few good setups. First on the list is this NTAP. I really like the way this one is hugging the 10-period moving average. You can see there that 10-period moving average it tries to break down but will not close below it. So looking for a move above 78 in that NTAP. CLBT is on the list today. It's kind of smaller cap, and there you had earnings, a lot of volume over the last week, and is kind of going sideways. This could, a lot of times these patterns can string out for a number of days, but I would love to see a move above yesterday's high, and I think it has a chance to take out that, 2-month high there, whatever it is. RITM is on the list today, and just really beautiful chart. Gap up there. I'm not sure what the news was, but it's going sideways. So let's just put a price alert. It's probably going to go off right now because it's already trading there. We'll slip one in at 1020 there. And one more on the list is SRRK. Let me take a look at this morning. And there you have it. Tried to sell off yesterday. Nice little bottoming tail, bouncing back above its two key moving averages there, the 10 and the 20. So let's just set a price alert up here around, 1230 area and set it and forget it. And that's it for today. You guys have a great Thanksgiving, and we will probably talk to you. I'll be off Friday, so talk to you next week. Bye-bye.